Okay, here we go. We're going to change out the speaker grill panel is what I'm going to call it. It's this metal piece right here. There's two screws on each side, one here and one here, and again on the opposing side. I've already taken them out, but you can see one goes here, one goes here. The only other thing holding this panel in on a Williams Bluebird 1 or 1.5 are those four screws, and here again, this is some bastardized Frankenstein machine, but normally the monitor is attached at this point and this point. The innermost holes, you see there's three holes on each side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The innermost hole has a screw that comes in from this side, a machine screw that holds on the bezel for the screen on the other side. You can see it here as I've already assembled this piece. You see there's a bezel on the bottom, and if you flip it around on the back, you can see where it's attached. So the outer screw hole, I wish I had 3 arms, that one right there, normally holds the screen on. So in this case, it's still doing the same job, but not quite on, I don't know, the same quality. So I'm going to unscrew these half-ass screws, try not to drop the monitor, and install my beautiful completed, I painted the grills black just because I went over with a silver pen and restored the lettering, so it looks really nice. And we're going to get this put in, and I will keep you updated. So let's see how it goes.